In this lecture, I will be showing you how you can change your service into an additional service or an extra service where you can change your price and make it an upsell for your hotel room. For example, the free meal that we added was changed from free to a $10. How to do it? It's very simple. Go back to your admin panel and then search for the services and find the service that you had already added. We used free meal. Now change your service type to additional like this, and in the additional change the price and make it a person or a room service. Let's make it 20, and you can also change a day to a trip. Let's keep it day and let's update it. If you update it, the price will also be changed. So it was the free service. Now let me go back to the search page. Let me see the hotel room. So I have removed it from here and added in the additional. So now let's try to add a similar room. When you add a new room, the similar room is not shown. So how to enable this? You have to go to the hotel room. So this is our hotel room, Royal Suite, and then go to package and rooms. Then you can add the similar room. For example, we are using a Royal Suite as a similar room because we have only one hotel room for now. But if you had more than 2 to 3, you can add here, add here, add here. And what is this? This is a title and an image preview of a blog. Wellness is a blog written. So how to add other blogs? We just have to go to packages and rooms and add other blogs like restaurant, daily work, around us. So these are all your blog posts that you have already created. A blog post can help your room get more views, as well as a blog post can make people feel that we have more and more services in our hotel rooms. Let's update it and see the preview. So you can see we have added more blog post. If you click on the title, you will be redirected to the blog post. Thank you.